Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download and install Debian Linux 13.2 on VMware workstation. Okay, first go to Debian Linux official website. It is debian.org. Then click on other downloads. See here the latest release is 13.2. Click on download mirrors. Then go up. See here we have the CD USB or DVD USB. Whatever you want you can download. I'm going to download this DVD USB. So click on VMWare Intel i386. Then see here its size is about 3.7 gigabytes. We have to click on this Debian 13.2 DVD ISO. Click on it to download. See, download started. Go to download. See here its size is about 3.7 gigabytes. I'm cancelling this one because I have already downloaded. In your case, wait until download completes. See here, I have already downloaded. Once download is completed, then open VMware workstation. Then click on create a new virtual machine or file and select new virtual machine. Both are same to create new virtual machine. Click on next. Then select the installer disk image file, that is ISO. Then click on browse. Then go to downloads. See here I have the DVD ISO. Select it. Click on next. Select the Linux version as Debian. See, I don't have 13, so select the latest one from this list and click on next. Then provide the name. I'm giving Debian 13 to VM. Name can be anything. Then select the location to store this virtual machine files and folders by clicking on this browse button. Click on next. Now provide the virtual hard disk size. I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then click on next. See, this is the virtual machine summary. If you want to modify any one of these settings, click on customize hardware. I want to increase memory to 4 gigabytes. Then click on close, or you can provide memory in megabytes here. Okay, click on close. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on finish. Still, if you want to modify the settings of this virtual machine, just click on this edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or select it and go to VM and settings. All three options are same. If you want to provide description for this virtual machine, you can provide here. Okay, if you are okay with all the settings, then click on power on this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is graphically install, and hit enter. Select the language and click on continue. Select your location. See, the selected location will be used to set your time zone and also example to help select the locale. Okay, so select the location from this list. If you are unable to find your location, click on other. Then click on continue. Keyboard language, I am going to select American English. Then click on continue. Now provide the host name or computer name. Later also you can change it. Click on continue. Now if you have domain name, provide domain name. Otherwise keep it as blank and click on continue. Now set the password for the root account. Confirm the same. Click on continue. Now we have to create or set up user. So I am giving user full name as after schools. Hit enter. This is the username. Then click on continue. Now set the password for this user. Now select the time zone from this list and continue. Partition disks. I am going to select guided and use entire disk and continue. Select disk to partition. All files in one partition, continue. This is confirmation. If you want to undo changes to partitions, you have to select this one. If you are okay with the settings, then click on, then select this finish partitioning and write changes to disk and continue. Write changes confirmation, continue. If you want to scan extra installation media, you have to select yes. It is up to you. I don't want, so continue. Use network mirror, no. I don't want to participate in package uses service, select no and continue. Now we have to select the softwares. See, by default it has selected Genome. If you want like XFCE, KD, Plasma, Cinnamon, anyone if you want you can select. Otherwise unselect them and click on continue. It is up to you, whatever you want you can select, then continue. See, installation has been started. I am going to pause this video. Whenever manual inputs are required, then I will resume and I will show you the options to select. Install the grub bootloader to your primary drive. Select yes and it is up to you. Select yes and continue. Select the device and continue. See, installation complete. It is time to boot into your new system. Make sure to remove the installation media so that you boot into your new system rather than restarting the installation. Okay, right click on this virtual machine, go to settings, then go to CD DVD in device status and select these both checkboxes. Then click on OK. Click on continue to reboot. Click on username and provide the password that you have set for this user. Skip. Then now open terminal. Now increase the font size. Preferences. Then select the unnamed. Then select this custom font checkbox. Increase the font size. Select it. Close this one. Now verify the version more/etc os-release. See, we have installed 13.2. Okay. Now verify the IP of the machine. ifconfig. It is not found. You can get the IP address by running IP-addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Control A. Next step is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Provide the password of the sudo user. See, it is not found, so switch to root account. Now update packages. Sudo is not required, but anyway I am giving. See, this is the expected error. Now we have to go to etc apt source list file. Okay, so open default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Copy this error. Go to this file. Use nano or any text editor. vi sudo is not required because I have connected. Anyway, sudo vi, paste it, hit enter, comment this one, press I to insert mode, then hash symbol, escape, shift A, hit enter, then copy these 3 lines. See, trick C means it is 30. Okay, so paste it, escape, colon, double Q, exclamation. Now update the packages. This time we won't receive any error. See, we haven't received any error. Okay, this will take time. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Debian Linux 13.2 on VMware workstation. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.